Yo guys, it is Maddox Hans, and today we have the new for Party City 2024, Art the Clown. Okay, so long story, but a couple months ago I actually pre-ordered this guy off of the Party City website. I've been waiting forever for mine to come in. But yeah, so here's the first piece we got. We got the instructions. These are black and white colored instructions, no colored. But yeah, have a couple pieces. Looks pretty cool, pretty simple. Next up, oh wow, you can just take out his head. I'll let you guys get the first look. Right here. Oh, why is one of his... Oh, dang, my Art the Clown does not have an eye. Wow, that's great. Why had it fall off? Oh, okay, well, that makes me mad. So I just took out the head, as you can see, and my eye is missing. These are stickered eyes. These are not even painted on. I could peel the other one off. How did this fall off? Now what am I supposed to do? Okay, well, that's Party City. You did not do a good job on gluing that eye on, or whatever the heck, because I don't know. But there's his head. It makes me upset. Next up, we have some leg phones right here. My Alexa just went off. I have no clue why it did that. We have his left hand right here with the clown horn. Looks pretty cool. Get a little close up on that. I have no clue why my Alexa went off. That's so random. There's the clown horn. It's pretty cool. It's a hard plastic. Pretty good detail for sure on the hand with the blood. I'm gonna be right back up towards the camera because our next piece is his hacksaw. And wow, look at this thing. This thing is bloody. Very good detail, as you can see on the hands. If it even focus. But yeah, so very good. Actually kind of sharp. The saw is kind of sharp. But yeah, so very good detail. Saw is huge. Like that piece for sure. Next up we have his adapter just freely laying in the box. Okay. Oh, weird how they package stuff at Party City. Cardboard. Next up, oh, can't take those out. Oh, we have his back piece, his hunchback piece right here. And also, I am getting little Pale Girl as well. I don't know when she's supposed to be here. I have no clue. But next piece is his hip turning mechanism right here. And we have his arm prongs with cotter pins, which is kind of cool. So there's his two arms. We can take out more cardboard, looks like. At the bottom we have his shoes right here. Very hard plastic shoes, nice shoes. I like the blood splatters on it, pretty cool. Another one of his shoes. We have his huge bag of clothes and his glasses, his cool little sunglasses, his cool little flower glasses. Those are pretty cool. And we have his mechanism, which is right down here. So let me try to get this out. We have a couple actually more. Oh, that's zip tied, so can't get this out. But so it looks like everything is zip tied in. Let me cut these zip ties real quick and we will continue the unboxing. Okay, I am back and I cut some zip ties, so let's pull out our last three pieces. So next we have his huge torso mechanism right here, where his head goes, and everything, his control box, his arm movements, wires, his IR sensor right here. So that is the whole big part of this guy for sure. Next up, we have his base. It's a very heavy base. I don't know why it's so heavy. Here's the base, and lastly, we have 4 leg pulls. So that is everything outside of the box. So let's go straight to the setup. Okay, so let's start. So first you're gonna take your 2 poles labeled B, and you're gonna snap lock them right down into the base. Very simple, just like so. Perfect. Now you are gonna take his shoes right here, and you're gonna slide them down. I don't know if there's a right and left, doesn't say, so I think it's just exactly the same. I'm pretty positive they are. Just like that. Now you're gonna take your poles, these ones right here, and you're gonna snap lock them in just like that. Ooh, this one goes. Perfect. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna take his very big leg phones, and you're just gonna slide them down his legs just like that, which I like how they do that. So perfect right there. Now you're gonna take his clothes all the way down. You're just gonna leave that kind of exposed just like that. His leg, just like that. Perfect. So we'll definitely do some adjusting to the clothing off camera, but other than that, he's looking pretty good. We want to get these 2 exposed. So yes, so there is this part. I think that's a little bit in frame. Yeah, we can do the next part. Next part, they want you to grab your hip turning mechanism right here, and they're wanting you to snap lock it down to each side. This is kind of a simple setup, just like Nozzles the Clown, and just like that, we just got it in. Okay, next step. We're actually gonna pull up his pants a tad bit, just a little bit to get it over this hip loop. Just kind of like that. Next step, you're gonna want to take your huge mechanism right here. You're gonna want to snap lock it to the H to I, just like that. Perfect. And you're gonna want to take his IR sensor, and on his clothes, you want to take it and you want to Velcro it straight to it. What I'm actually gonna do is undo his adapter, and I'm gonna feed it down his leg and pull up his clothes. And now, what they're suggesting you do is do the arms. So you're gonna want to feed it up through the clothing. Pretty simple. There we go. Okay. So you kind of want to feed it up through his arm, and then you're gonna want to attach it to the prongs. Okay. Perfect. So now you can roll up this guy's sleeve on that side. But what we actually can do is attach the horn to that right there, just like that. Now let's do the same thing on the other arm, but this time, this side has a cotter pin. Perfect. And now you're going to take your cotter pin and you're going to put it basically just through this. Perfect. Didn't know if I was going to get that in or not. So now we're going to pull up his clothes even more. Yeah, so let's take his other hand. Let's attach the saw. And this one, of course, also has a cotter pin. And you're just going to attach it just like that. And then you're going to take your cotter pin sort of thingy and then put it right where it shows. And just like that, you just put the cotter pin in. Now you're going to take his sleeve and you're going to roll it up, and you're going to do the exact same thing you did with that side. You know, kind of adjust it a little bit. But we're almost done. So now you're going to take his back, his spine piece, and there's a little hook, a little snap lock, just like yarns. Not snap lock, but like a clamp or a prong. And then, once you get the back piece on, you can kind of Velcro them up. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do is, well, they have this over the thing, so they have this over the head, but next step we're gonna attach the head, and I'm gonna cut this real quick. Okay, so now we got that part off of his head. Now we're just gonna take it and put it in the prongs, just like that. And unfortunately, it makes me upset that my Art the Clown does still not have an eye. That makes me mad. I could not find it anywhere in the packaging, so I'm gonna have to buy a glue, like a, what if I put a googly eye on him? That would be kind of cool. But, so next step, you're gonna wanna take his, I don't even know what you call these, his ruffle, and you're gonna put it over, just like that, kind of, sort of. But, just like that. I'll fix that later. But the final step, you're gonna wanna take his little hat, and you're gonna wanna Velcro it right to the top of his head. Just like that. Perfect. On to the demo. Okay, you guys, so there he was, Art the Clown from Party City 2024. I really like this guy, as he's going right now, but I really like this guy. What it obviously is, you could probably tell in unboxing, his eye was missing, so yes, I'm definitely gonna buy another eye, a little glue on, stick on, or whatever. I don't even know what I'm gonna do yet. But yeah, so there he was. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave me a comment down below on what more you want to see on this channel. And yes, so I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.